You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.